Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're focusing on Facebook and how to stay connected by turning on email notifications for friend requests. This feature ensures you never miss an opportunity to expand your network or reconnect with old friends. To get started, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This menu icon is your gateway to accessing various settings and features within Facebook. Tap on it to open the menu. Now scroll down through the options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this to proceed. From the next screen, select Settings to access the detailed Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Notifications. Tap on this to manage how you receive updates from Facebook. Within the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see Friend Requests. This is where you control how you're notified about new friend requests. Tap on Friend Requests to open its settings. Here, you'll find options for how you want to be notified when someone sends you a friend request. To receive email notifications, simply toggle on the Email option. This will ensure that whenever someone sends you a friend request, you'll receive an email notification in addition to any in-app notifications. By enabling this feature, you'll stay informed about new friend requests, even when you're not actively using the Facebook app. This is especially useful if you prefer managing your social media interactions via email, or if you're someone who checks their email more frequently than their social media apps. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up email notifications for friend requests on Facebook. This will help you stay connected and ensure you never miss an opportunity to connect with new friends or reconnect with old ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your social media presence.